Admiral, did you send a message out to the Canadian government? Good. That should keep him busy. Yes. Okay, I've got to meditate. Okay. Thanks, Admiral. DJ Sexy Splash. Yeah. DJ Sexy Splash. Sticking it in the bum of the rebel scum. Yeah. Rebel scum with a sore bum. Oh, Dark Knob has come. Yeah. DJ Sexy Splash in your face. Oh, Rebel scum in your bum. DJ Sexy Splash in your face. Oh, yeah. Ooh, what's that? Ooh, what? DJ Sexy Splash. Give you sticky eyelash. Rebel scum. Ooh. Yeah. No. That's not you, is it, Admiral? What is it? They've got them cornered. They've got the runaways cornered. Okay, good. Good job, Admiral. DJ Sexy Splash out.